Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about, one that's making waves in the world of broadband modems. It's none other than the ARRIS SURFboard SB8200 DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem. Let me tell you, folks, this one's a game changer. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let me make one thing clear. If you're in the market for the best broadband modem, look no further. The ARRIS SURFboard SB8200 is taking the crown, and for good reason. First up, let's talk speed. With DOCSIS 3.1 technology, this modem is delivering lightning-fast performance, boasting speeds up to 10 times faster than its predecessor, DOCSIS 3.0. Whether you're streaming in 4K, engaging in online gaming marathons, or attending virtual meetings, this modem ensures smooth, uninterrupted connectivity. But speed isn't the only thing this powerhouse has to offer. It's equipped with two 1 gigabit per second ports, allowing for seamless networking and multitasking. Plus, with 4 OFDM channels, you're guaranteed reliable performance, even during peak usage hours. Now, let's talk savings. Say goodbye to those pesky rental fees. By owning the ARRIS SURFboard SB8200, you're putting money back in your pocket. In fact, you could save up to $168 per year in cable modem rental fees alone. That's a win-win in my book. And the savings don't stop there. This modem is compatible with major US cable internet providers, including Xfinity, Cox, and Spectrum, ensuring hassle-free setup and activation. Speaking of setup, let's talk simplicity. Gone are the days of complicated installations. With the ARRIS SURFboard Central app, getting started is a breeze. Just plug in the modem, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Well, there you have it, folks. The ARRIS SURFboard SB8200 DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem is a true standout in the world of broadband modems. From its blazing fast speeds to its cost-saving benefits, this modem has it all. So why wait? Upgrade your internet experience today with the ARRIS SURFboard SB8200. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy surfing.